we are going to Khnong Kro Pher. It means Khnong Kro Pher means the back of the crocodile. And here is our coach. We go together and we cross around us rice field. See a beautiful also rice field in Cambodia, especially in the rural area. There our team we come with 7 people and including 2 local guys. So stick with me, I will update you more about the wonderful nature of Cambodia. After that we start cross the small river and then something funny happened.
We have 4 different contestants coming from different part of Phnom Penh competing for the ground. Today, welcome the very first lady, Miss Todabong. Miss Todabong.
You did it, Wong.
Yeah, first here.
First here. How was your energy level?
I would say now I finished 2. So I still have 8 more.
Fine. Oh. Soon nature will increase your energy.
Okay, hope so.
Yeah.
See?
អូខេមកដល់កន្លែងសម្រាប់ចាយដនមិនចាយដននេះចង្រៃយកស្អីឃើញបានប្រសក់
Yeah, right now we at the rest stop number 3 and you can see a lot of cucumber. Yeah.
And what we have to do now is
Come here.
Here.
You can see this is cucumber, very big.
Wow.
And this one.
Yeah. បាទភ្លុកមកបងឲ្យញ៉ាំធ្វើមកយាយមុខឆ្ងាញ់ណាបងមើលសម្ដែងមុខកាមេរ៉ាមើលធ្វើមកឆ្ងាញ់ណាហ្នឹងហើយតែពីឲ្យធ្វើដូចឆ្ងាញ់ខ្លាំងហ៎ជួយឌូនេះឲ្យញ៉ាំមកសំណាប់ដែរបាទ
What's up?
Look at this. This is very like organic.
Oh, there's so bright.
Oh.
Giờ tới ngao nhâm. Cái cạch sọ.
Khluộc, chọn chữ điên khluộc này.
Nó kia nè đám đó, ai cũng không có. Cha đám là bự. Con bông.
Ca là bông. Tôi sắp qua lần xa. After take some restaurant 15 minutes, we continue trekking up to the top of the mountain. The road is a little bit challenging, but that's okay for our team. We managed to climb up step by step by step, and then we meet the stream over there. The water was so very cool. We wash our face, wash our body to gain the power to start our journey to the top of the mountain. Now I'm starting with again. I want to go there again. You can see the water is so nice. You can see my face. Now I'm look a little bit tired, but you know what? The thing that we to continue step by step is the wonderful of the nature. So if you guys have a plan to climb the mountain, you can see my video. It's not easy like what you think, but if you manage to climb up to the top of the mountain, you will receive the wonderful gift from the nature. ឥឡូវយើងចិត្តដល់កន្លែងមេវគ្គបញ្ចប់ហើយ See, this is the magical tree. My magical collect. Bạn chơi ạ. Okay, now right now we are supposed we arrive this place.
We don't know the name.
We don't know the name,
But-
but very nice.
Yeah.
You see the beautiful flower inside the grass. The weather is good now. It's around 6 p.m. But it's nice. Yay! So we trek to the jungle again. A little bit dark. So you can see right now it's around 6:20. But we not yet arrived at CI house. The CI mean Conservation International. They build a house on the top of the mountain for the ranger to visit or the foreigner come to visit at that place. Hello.
Hi.
Tell me about your feeling.
I'm fine. I'm good.
Oh, nice. You very energized. Yeah.
Well, we have to be energetic for our friends. Come, come.
Hello, Nana.
I would like to say good morning to the world and people around me. Right now we come back from the Boilon, the place that we go to see the sunrise view. Yeah, like you see this another campsite around 30 people, and we walking to the CI house, the place that CI Conservation International built for the ranger and tourism come to visit, to stay 1 night or 2 nights. And this is my best friend.
Hello, that's the day where we know this.
Yeah, Mr. SPN never lie.
Họ bây giờ ngày thành.
Yeah. Hi again. Okay. Right now we are going to another place called Khmer Kro Pher. So I will tell you about the story of Khmer Kro Pher when we arrive at that place. But now you can see the view. Honestly, this is my first video that I make with voiceover. I actually don't really like it, but this is the trend, and sometimes it's easy to edit because you don't need to sing a lot when you film or shooting the video. Just you take some clip from your vlog, and then in the process of your editing you can voice anything that you want. Sometimes it's not really related to the video like I do right now, but sometimes it's okay to feel weird. Right now I feel like my video is a little bit weird because why the view, the footage inside the video not really connected with each other. Back to our video. This is the way that we go to Khmer Kro Pher. We walk around 45 minutes from the CI house to Khmer Kro Pher. Along the way to that place, we see a lot of beautiful landscape like the grass, the foggy, the tree, the pine tree over there, and a lot of flower, small stream, small waterfall, the rock until we reach to the waterfall. So it's really nice and really beautiful. The water is so cool and strong. Okay, right now we know Khmer Kro Pher, and the water so amazing. The waterfall here.